Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to curve an image in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile. From the home page, tap on YouTube thumbnail to start with a simple blank canvas. This will give you the perfect size to work with. Next, head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side. In the search bar, type Curve Frame. Once the results appear, go to the Frames section. Here you'll see different curved frame styles. Select the one you like and tap on it. The frame will now appear on your canvas. Adjust its size and position according to your design. After that, go to the Upload section and upload the picture you want to curve. Once it's uploaded, drag the picture into the curved frame. Canva will automatically fit the photo inside the frame. If you want to make adjustments, just double tap on the frame. This allows you to reposition the image inside and make sure it looks exactly how you want. Once you're happy with the placement, click away and you'll see your image perfectly curved inside the frame. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more Canva tips and design tricks.